Hey guys, welcome. This is Kino. I am playing on the veteran game Monarch server, and today I'd like to show you how to create a Craftbook timer. For all of you who are redstone experts, you will recognize this build as the Etho hopper timer, which uses item to transfer between the hoppers to create a pulse at a regular interval. So let me show you when I activate it. You will see this lamp turning on and off every 2 seconds, since I have put 3 items into the hopper timer. So let me show you how to create this using Craftbook. Today I will use the Craftbook clock, the Craftbook flip-flop toggle, and the Craftbook monostable circuit. I'll be back in a second. So let's get started by building the Craftbook clock. Place a block on the ground with a sign on front, and on the second line type MC1421 within the brackets and an S outside. Then type the amount of time the interval is going to take. This can be anything from 1 to 500. To calculate this back into seconds, you have to divide the number by 10. So 500 will be 50 seconds. For this example I will use 10, so this will be 1 second. And press escape to finish the Craftbook IC. As you can see, we've created the Craftbook clock. And now let's put a lever on the back to see it work. You see the number on the bottom increasing every time. Every time it reaches 10, it will flip this lever. Now, if we put a lamp on top for an indication, you will see it turns on and off every second. To extend this signal, since the maximum is only 15 seconds, have the next block after the Craftbook IC. So here's the lever. Here we need an air block. Here we need another block. Now let's put another sign on the front. And on the second line type MC1017 and an S outside of the brackets. This is all we need to do, and now we have created a toggle flip-flop. Let's put another sign on the back and a lamp on top, and you will see the interval is doubled. So it will take twice the amount of time for this lamp to turn on and off than it does for this lamp. If you have noticed, the hopper timer by Etho has a pulse as an output. This is a continuous signal, either on or off. So let me now show you how to create a pulse out of this. Again, you have the lever, another air block, and then again place a block. Place a sign on the block, and on the second line type MC1422 within the brackets and an S outside of it. And on the bottom line 50 H. This is the Craftbook monostable circuit, and I will explain more about this in the future, in a future video, but at this time just take it for my word. This turns the continuous signal into a pulse. As you can see, each time this lamp turns on, this lamp flashes very shortly. So we have created a flashing clock, a flashing timer, using Craftbook alone, not using the hopper timer. A downside of the hopper timer is, of course, that it creates lag because items are traveling between the 2 hoppers. This device does not create that much lag, and it's very cheap to build. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you've liked it, please leave a like, and I will see you later.